If you're going to practice your putting, then a good place to start is by finding a straight aimed putt on your putting green. When we find a straight aimed putt, we can actually practice aiming at it and starting the ball on that line. So here's a good tip to help you find where a straight aimed putt occurs. Where I'm standing here, I can feel pressure in my left foot. So basically my left foot's lower. I know this is going to be a right aimed putt or a right to left break. As I move across the slope to here, I can now feel that my right foot is the lower foot. So this is a left to right breaking putt. The pressure's in my right foot. In between these two positions, I can find a putt where my feet feel level. Okay, so standing here, neither foot is higher or lower than the other. This will be our straight aimed putt.